In this video, I'll show you how you can redirect your Hostinger domain to another domain. So what you need to do is to first go ahead and head over to Hostinger and then log into your account in the top right hand corner. And that will take you to your Hostinger dashboard account. And now here you should be able to see a couple of domains. If you've got loads of domain, though, just go to domains at the top right here, and then that will take you to the domains page where you can then choose the domain that you want to forward to a different domain. I'll just go ahead and use this knowledge-based tutorials.net domain. So I'm going to click on manage, and that will take me into this domain dashboard here. Now all we need to do now to forward the domain is scroll down, and here you'll see forward your domain to an existing website. You can click here where it says forward domain, and now we need to enter in a website URL. So for the video, I'm going to forward it to my YouTube channel. So find the page you want to forward it to, then copy exact URL, and then go back into the Hostinger website, paste in the URL, and you can see we've already got https here. So we're going to remove this. We're just going to keep www. We are then going to create, and then it should have successfully forwarded that domain, and this can take up 24 to 48 hours to activate. And that is how you can basically redirect domain to another domain and Hostinger. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.